So here we are demonstrating the Beautiful Eyes treatment. The Beautiful Eyes treatment is very new, and it's the only FDA approved device that treats Meibomian Gland Dysfunction, or basically dry eye syndrome. So we are actually our public physician assistant who has problems with dry eyes is being treated. Now these little things sticking out of her eyes are eye shields because we want to actually protect the eyes. And what we're going to be doing is using the Lumenis Optilight, Stellar 22 Optilight, with the Optilight handpiece to treat the Meibomian glands and to help decrease inflammation. So this is the only FDA-approved treatment to help this. And I have had some patients done where even after one treatment, they said their eyes felt tremendously better. One patient said their dry eyes were gone. Typically, the protocol is to do treatments anywhere between 2 to 4 weeks apart, depending on the severity of your symptoms, and probably about 4 treatments are needed to get the best results long term. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate this technique. We've already put some eye shields in there. We did one pass.
Press the on button.
Gotta make sure we're on. We did one pass of a IPL rosacea treatment here, or IPL, to help reduce some of the inflammation and redness here. And then we switched to this proprietary Optilight OPT handpiece in an effort to treat as close to the eyelids as possible. And we're going to go ahead and do that and get my eye shields on here. Okay. Then we're going to start over here. And this is just a little bit of the light coming in here. And she's got eye shields, so she's very protective. And we're going, pretty much close, within 2 millimeters. Make sure her eyelashes.
I'm watching them very closely.
We're going within 2 millimeters of the eyelids. And we're just going to go over the bridge of the nose here.
Straightforward.
Straightforward. So if you have any questions and you're watching, feel free. But what are some questions that people may ask? Does it hurt? Ashley, does it hurt?
No, it's like more I'm focusing on the light. Yeah. That I can still appreciate even with the shields in. But it just feels a little warm. It doesn't feel snappy or anything. I've had IPL and the other lasers here, and this is nothing.
And then this also will help, so the whites of your eyes. So if you're constantly having, constantly having to do like eye drops to, get the redness out of your eyes, this will help to decrease some of those little broken blood vessels that contribute to the redness in the eye.
A little jelly there.
Turn.
Trying to get as close to the eyelids as possible. And that's the purpose of these eye shields. The closer we are within 2 millimeters, the better.
So over time, from just using makeup, so from using makeup, what can happen is the oil glands or the Meibomian glands can basically become clogged. So the heat from the laser can also help to kind of declog the oil glands so that they're functioning properly.
Is this something that can be helpful for people who have styes? Because
Technically,
of that?
yes, they're getting clogged from
clogged and vascular.
Yeah, for
yes,
sure.
you can actually do that. Dr. Perriman has an ophthalmologist, has pioneered a lot of these techniques, and this is her protocol that we're following right now. She has treated that, and so the answer is yes.
We're also killing the demodextroids that are on the skin that are, living and feeding off of, sebum and keratin. So all the above.
Okay. So that is, this Beautiful Eyes treatment.
Beautiful Eyes. Treatment protocol is 4 treatments every 2 to 4 weeks.
Right. Now, what can people expect after this? nothing
Really,
really
nothing.
major.
No, just
Okay.
SPF.
You can see her skin's not even really red.
You'll notice a decrease in the inflammation for sure. Probably a decrease in irritation.
And the patient I did yesterday, immediately after treatment, the first thing he said is like, "Wow, my eyes feel so much better." So if you have symptoms of, some people say, like a potato chip in the eye, it feels like a potato chip in the eye.
Piece of sand.
Yeah,
Piece
like
of
sand in your
okay?
eye.
Gritty, okay? Or just, uncomfortable eyes, then this could be a treatment for you. And really that's completes the treatment. And in a short amount of time, you can, if you're suffering from dry eye problems, then I would say that give us a call or come in for a consultation, and that's that. Or you can always look up Beautiful Eyes treatments. The name of the device is Lumenis. They have information. I think we have some on our website, but I think that also the company has all the FDA-approved information for this treatment. Because there's not a lot of treatments right now for dry eyes. Other than eye drops and things of that nature, and topicals. But that's why this is revolutionary. It's because it is the first FDA-approved treatment for dry eye syndrome.